Believe it or not, this is tofu. It looks like chicken and tastes like chicken. Here's how to make it. Break the tofu and freeze it. In 2 hours, your tofu will look like this. Thaw any way you want. Then squeeze out the excess water from tofu. Your tofu is now ready to cook. On a heated pan with cooking oil, saute your tofu crispy and savory. See that golden brown color? Now your tofu has a chicken-like texture. Turn off the heat and immediately add soy sauce. The pan is still very hot, so it will sizzle the soy sauce to make it more yummy. Add sesame oil, sugar, black pepper. Turn on the heat again to medium-low. Toast them around to marinate. Add some vegetables and stir fry a minute or two. Done! Super easy. Look at this. Is it tofu or chicken? Can you tell? I'll add green onion and sesame. I'll add more sesame oil. Trust me, this is so delicious. Next time your tofu expires soon, just freeze it for this recipe. And please use your hand to break tofu to make it more likely a piece of meat. And I used only the basic ingredients. So please explore more with more adventurous ingredients. 안녕!